Hi everyone! Welcome back to Inspire Your Daily Grind. My name is Aljen and today's episode is all about celebrating daily progress. Minsan, iniisip natin na kailangan malaki agad ang tagumpay. Pero tandaan mo, ang maliit na panalo, araw-araw nagiging daan sa mas malaking pagbabago. Success is not about a giant leaps. Alam mo yung bigla ang success? Hindi siya ganun. But it's all about steady steps. Yung kapag natapos mo ang isang simpleng task, like for example, yung pagbangon mo ng maaga, paggising mo ng umaga, and you have your own rituals, like for example, how you start your day in a positive mindset. Or di kaya yung pag-save mo ng kaunting pera, to have your own savings for your future, emergency savings. That's already a win. Kasi ang bawat maliit na panalo ay parang bricks na bumubuo ng matibay na foundations. Hindi mo man agad makita ang resulta, pero unti-unting nagiging malaki yung impact nito para sa'yo. I remember time when I felt stuck. Yung parang walang progress. Pero nung binalikan ko, nakita ko na ang dami ko palang na-build na good habits. Like journaling, saving, and exercising. And speaking of exercising, I love doing running and swimming. Kasi it also helps me to become more healthy and also to build up my self-confidence. And ganun din sa'yo. Hindi mo kailangang maghintay na malaking achievement para ma-feel ang success. Celebrate the small wins. Kasi sila ang nagdadala sa'yo sa mas malaking tagumpay. So here's your challenge for today. Write down one small win today. Pwedeng simpleng bagay, like natapos mo ang isang task sa work mo, or nakapagbigay ka ng tulong sa iba, or nakapagpahinga ka na maayos. I think all of us really like this. Alam mo yon, yung makapagpahinga na maayos as a adult. Alam mo na, pag adult tayo, parang yung pahinga ang pinaka the best things na nagagawa natin sa buhay natin, di ba? So, this is kind of a small win. And I want you to know to do this daily. Mapapansin mo ang dami mong progress na hindi mo agad nakikita. Kasi small wins have a big impact. Thank you so much for joining me on Inspire Your Daily Grind. My name is Aljen. Remember, success is built one step at a time. Celebrate your small wins kasi sila ang nagiging malaking pagbabago sa kinabukasan. If this episode inspired you, share it with someone who needs encouragement. Together, we rise one grind at a time. So before I end our episode for today, I would like to share to all of you these motivational quotes. Success is the sum of small efforts, repeated daily. Thank you so much again for tuning in and see you again to the next episode.